Good morning and welcome everyone. We are going to give just a couple of minutes for people to flood into the webinar, but we're excited to have you here today. Thank you. Welcome everybody. If you didn't hear me before, we're just going to wait a couple of minutes, just a minute or two for everyone to come in, but we're excited to have you here. Thank you so much. Welcome and good morning, everyone. We're just waiting for everyone to kind of come into the webinar and that waiting room in.